Taking you through news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Ijaw people in Delta State organize obituary for Wike. Federal government suspends financial council dues after backlash. There is hope for female president in Nigeria, says DJ Copy. Now the news in detail. Some Ijaw people in Delta State organized a mock obituary for Nation Wike amid the state of emergency in Rivers State, which includes Bara suspension, his deputy Ngozi Odu, and the Rivers State House of Assembly members who were suspended for 6 months by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. A viral post on X, formerly known as Twitter, showed hundreds of people singing, dancing, and carrying a casket decorated with Wike poster. A song played at the event could be heard with lyrics saying "Wike, rest in peace," implying that he was deceased. The post shared by a user who condemned the act. "I do not support this." These are some Ijaw people in Delta State holding a funeral service for Wike, with guns so soon inscribed on a casket. "It's wrong now, Abba," the post concluded. However, this post has ignited mixed reactions from Nigerians. Away from that, the federal government has announced the temporary suspension of the implementation of annual dues imposed on public interest enterprises by Financial Reporting Council. This came following widespread concerns from industry stakeholders. The Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, Jumoke Odowole, disclosed the decision at a ministerial consultative meeting on the Financial Reporting Council annual dues for public interest enterprises on Wednesday in Abuja. The meeting was called in response to numerous official letters the ministry received regarding the issue. Odowole stated that the suspension follows a series of objections from the organized private sector, particularly the Nigerian Employers Consultative Association and Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, who raised concerns over the Financial Reporting Council Amendment Act 2023. The minister further indicated that timeline for the suspension would not exceed 60 days. She assured that the government is committed to addressing the concerns raised by the private sector. And lastly, for tonight, Nigerian disc jockey Florence Otedola, popularly known as DJ Copy, has voiced optimism about the possibility of Nigeria electing a both female president and vice president in the future. Her remarks follows Nambia's recent achievement as the first African nation to have women occupying both the presidency and vice presidency. Taken to her ex, formerly known as Twitter account, DJ Copy highlighted Nambia's achievement as a potential source of inspiration for Nigeria. Nambia just made history, Africa's first country with both a female president and a female vice president. Maybe there's hope for Nigeria one day after all, she wrote. Nambia's Metubo, Nandi Ndatawa, was recently sworn in as the country's first female president after winning the last election. Her vice president, Lucia Whitgo, also made history, making Nambia the first African country to have women in those leadership positions. And that ends the news for tonight. You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.